In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a page to a text in Wix. This is a really useful skill when you're building a website because it lets you turn any piece of text into a clickable link that takes your visitors exactly where you want them to go. That might be another page on your site, an external website, a blog post, or even a special landing page. Let's start inside the Wix editor. First, find the text on your page that you want to turn into a link. This could be a sentence, a call to action like learn more, or even just a single word. Click once on that text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline or editing box appear around it. When your text is selected, look for the small toolbar that appears nearby or at the top of the editor. On that toolbar, you'll see a chain-like icon, sometimes called the link icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This tells Wix that you want to create a hyperlink for the selected text. A link settings panel will open. In this panel, you'll see different options for where your link can point. Since we're linking to a web page, choose the option labeled web page. This is the choice you use when you have a specific URL that you want people to visit when they click the text. Now, you'll see a field where you can paste the URL, copy the full web address from your browser, then paste it into that field. Make sure the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS so it works correctly. It's a good idea to double check that there are no extra spaces before or after the link. Next, you'll see an option for how the link opens. Click on New Window. This means that when someone clicks the text, the page will open in a new browser tab and your site stays open in the original tab. This is especially helpful when you're linking to external websites, so you don't send visitors away from your own site completely. Once everything looks good, click on Done. That saves your settings and applies the link to your text. You can preview your site and click on the text to test that the link works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully linked a page to a text in Wix, giving